we still not out of COVID, because yesterday, day before yesterday, again there were some cases. One marriage created 100 cases. So, so some marriages are creating cases. That is what I was told. So, good data. We had 58 or something day before yesterday. Yesterday we had 156. No?
Yesterday, day before yesterday was 150. Yesterday was around 100.
100, yeah. So before that was
150.
good.
150.
Yeah. So before that was less, 2
Less,
digit. 90, 2 digit.
Correct.
58 or 90? 58.
90.
So then suddenly we found that social distancing and wearing mask has been forgotten. So through this media also I want to tell people of Goa, you can have marriages, you can have clusters, but at least wear mask, because many places it was seen in the marriages people were not wearing mask. People are not wearing mask, and mostly people are now considering COVID as some common cold. Earlier when there was one patient in Goa, I remember in month of March, everybody got shock waves. People were not looking at a person who has COVID. They thought looking at him they will get a virus. But now they are so bindas that they have not even wearing a mask. And many of these places where I have gone for marriages, I have seen people are not wearing mask. So it is a humble request that they should wear a mask, at least mask, keep social distancing, see, avoid crowding. Somehow, if that can be done, we can definitely avoid second wave.
And it is also not that 200 people of number, but I think the
I really don't know what is SOP from the government.
100 close, 200 open space.
Yeah. So these SOPs are to be followed, whatever government SOPs are there, to be followed very strictly. Because if we again start getting every day 200 to 50 cases, then there will be again flooding of hospitals. And then how bad it was last 9 months. Everybody has suffered. There is economic setback, there is a educational setback, everything there is a setback. So taking this experience, people should understand that they will help us in avoiding the second wave. Or 60 patients, new cases.
60 there were, 60, 90 there was one day there were 90.
90,
Yeah,
50.
90
No,
was on
Utkarsh.
7 December.
Utkarsh.
112 on 6 December. 155th. 94 4th. 124 3rd. 117. 161 on December 1st.
I don't know. I think I saw one double digit.
That must be November.
November.
Because
Anyway, whatever it is, if moment there is crowding, moment there is no proper social distancing, moment there is no proper sanitary using sanitization or sanitizer or mask, we see rise in cases. So this should be understood by each and everyone that COVID is still not a common cold. It is a very complex disease. The whole world is trying to find out what is actually COVID, because there are different kinds of presentations, because we had seen patients with diarrhea and having COVID positive, and they have lost their lives. So to what extent it can give symptoms, we don't know. So as of today, what is a cure for COVID is prevention. I would say prevent getting into this syndrome, which is critical is 14 patients. They are on ventilators. We have none in ESI.
okay, no case in
No cases in ESI right now on ventilator. And we have, I think 143 is also critically ill patients. There we have 6 or 7. 6, yeah, 6, they told me 6. So see, it is not that we are totally free. What I am trying to give message to the public is that we are not actually out of COVID. People are actually behaving as if there is no COVID anymore. We don't know. Getting even 100 new cases per day is a matter of concern, because the positivity is exponential. It is not that this 100 will give only 100 positive, more positive. It can go to more than 100, no? So, what is there if we wear a mask, if we observe social distancing, if we use a hand sanitizer? These three things at least we should do, no? There has been solid burden on the state exchequer because of this, COVID. So we have to help government on this. So
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारात तुमकां दर्जेदार प्रकारच्या साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.